Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to block ads on Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto profile, click on settings and privacy, settings. Look at to left side, click on see more in account center, add preference, manage info, click on and disable all. And disable one by one. Go back and tap on this ads shown outside of Meta, not allow. So that's it. So that's how you can easily block ads on Facebook. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.